Best Donut Baking Pan Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular donut making molds in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this baking pan so popular, and also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this baking pan. The one that made our list is the Wilton non-stick donut baking pans. With this set, you can make a half or full dozen of donuts for breakfast or any time of the day. This specially designed baking pan has a non-stick coating for easy release and quick cleanup. Each pan measures 12.5 by 8 inches, and they're dishwasher safe too. To check out the full specs of the Wilton non-stick donut baking pans and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/donuttray. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use this donut baking pan. So there you have it, the Wilton non-stick donut baking pan. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and how many donuts you can whip out at once, we feel that this donut baking pan is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Wilton non-stick donut baking pan and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/donuttray. Alright, thank you for watching.